How to fix Facebook online friends list not showing. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So you cannot see your online friends being online if you have turned off your online status. So in order to see their online status, you have to enable your online status as well. So simply head over to your messenger, then tap on your menu bar, tap on settings, then in this activity status, toggle this on if you have this off. So yeah, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.